Initially, napag-usapan namin ni Ombudsman na everything that has to do with flood control sila na magkahawak kasi ang dami na ring ongoing tumatakbo na yung mga na-submit ng ICI sa kanila, yung mga congressman, yung mga contractors, tsaka contractors, other government officials, mga kasamahan namin sa Senate and ranking officials, gumugulong na. So, kung baka pakialaman pa namin, mapurnada pa. And we don't want to do that. So what he was saying, kami nang bahala, maybe you can start looking for other mga cases pag may mga dinala sa amin sa Senate.
Si Ombudsman said, sila yung nag-request na sa kanila na lahat.
That's what he said, na gusto niya kung pwede para hindi na baka bumangga pa doon sa investigation nila. Kasi ganun din naman, di ba? Mag-i-investigate ka. If you're fact-finding ka, you're investigating also.
When will you start the transfer of maybe turnover?
I will have to meet with the membership of the Blue Ribbon para pag-usapan namin when do we turn it over. Kailangan din namin ma-inform yung lahat ng members ng Blue Ribbon Committee.
Specific ba kayo na planong tutukan sa pagsasimula po uli ng investigasyon ng Blue Ribbon?
Marami may mga napag-usapan kami ni Ombudsman na pwede po namin imbestigahan within the next few weeks po, pero we'll just be gathering evidence. We're coordinating with them. Meron pong agency na gobyerno na
Pwede magbigay lang kahit isa...
Broad stroke lang, sir.
Kahit isa lang.
Kung hindi flood control, ano siya, sir? Kung hindi flood control, ano? Corruption, sir?
Mga congressman ba uli ko? Senador?
No, no. It's affecting almost everybody.
Solar power, sir?
Not necessarily solar power, pero it pertains to no.
About
It's,
NGCP siya.
Power
No, it's
supply?
not basic in GCB. I'm sorry. We're still gathering information.
Public utility. No
Just
to be general about it.
Don't want to make any comment. Ayoko na pangunahan. Pero
Pang sikmura.
definitely.
Pang sikmura na tayo.
No, ginagamit po natin lahat every day.